Okay, welcome fellow feline. I'm Dangerous Feline and today we're going to play Cat Bird. Oh, nope. Um, okay, that's maybe. Okay, so just give me a second. Okay, so I don't know crap about this game, but we're going to find out together today. I hope all of you are doing fantastic and everything, and I have to make sure my sound is right. And the cat is sleeping. Will that be right? Oh my. Soulless goodness. Okay, so I guess you'll be a cat that has traveled back to its original planet, I guess, if I... What on is going on? What in the... Okay. So... Oh, I can fly. Oh, I can't fly very long. Okay. So... No loading. Got it. And don't touch the white. I think I know how. No. Okay. This time we're going to get it right. Huh. Ooh. Ground. Then we go down, down, and fall into the portal. Okay, so I think I'm correct about it. About the fact that we have to like oh my. Okay. So that kind of helped. Oh my. This is going to be difficult. I push it into the water. Oh. Okay, so I'll push it onto there. Then I'll fly to here. Then I'll be like, easy. And then I'll die. Okay, so I'll push it onto here. Okay, because why? On our part, because then can't really fly over. There you go. So I haven't really seen any type of enemies yet, which is a little bit odd for me, and this doesn't want to work out. So I have to push it like to there. There's no other place there. But how would you... Seriously? Okay, so let's continue by pressing that one. Okay. And now my game is really. Ah. No, there is no way to get it. Okay. Well, then we'll have to work with this one. Oh. This box is really heavy. Okay, I want to try it this way. Oh, I did it. Yay! Okay, there's still no real actual like this is what you have to do thing. Okay, oh now I see what I have to do. Push. I have to push the box and oh, okay. I'm not going to be too hard. Hopefully. I really actually set up and then just died. Crap. Okay. So you go like that, then you go like that. You wait for the mean blades. Then you go like that, then you push, 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 push. Then you push, push, push. Oh my goody good soul. Can it just, yes it can, just slide over my head. Oh my. There we go. Oh, that wasn't too hard. Okay. So, next up is what in the good of all good things is this? Okay, so very like it seems like I'm like pausing the game or something. I'm not. It's when the thing has an ad that it has to show me. Only problem with mobile app games is that it has ads, but we'll get through it that way. Hopefully. Okay, so we're getting somewhere, we're learning. And dying a lot, but it's still fun. Okay, kind of. It means you learn new things. No, you're not. I'm not learning crap from this. Okay, now I'm learning stuff from it. This game requires a lot of timing. Oh my, I barely made that. Up and down. Oh. This is getting worse. This is getting worse by the... I'm dead. That was painful. That was painful. I got so far. Okay, so now... Holy... Right there, almost I died. Okay, well that was a little bit harder. Okay. And we made it through another act. Okay, so... What in the flying goodness of... Oh, this is going to hurt. I told ya, this is hurting. Well, that was torture. And not in a good way. Yep, my private parts got cut in half. And I have nothing to show for it. Okay. How in the... Okay, let's concentrate. Up, Y, and then die. Okay. Let's try it when that one goes down. Y. Let's try it when that one just got up. This is going to become a massive pain in the behind now. Holy, I thought I was going to die. Okay, so now that we live and almost died, but still alive, which is healthy for us, we can finally just act normal. No, we can't. What in the... I have to redo all of that. Okay. Give me a second. Yeah. There's a way of living for everyone, and mine is dying. Okay, I live. Okay, fly. Then jump. Jump, jump, jump. Don't jump. Okay. Remember that every good start begins with one big jump. See? Then you'll succeed. If only there was no weight to cut my soul. Or ads. That is really a pain and it makes me die. Okay, let's try. I am going to fly and meet death if I'm not careful. Okay, so down, then fly. Oh, I made it. I made it. Well, miracles do happen. I'm actually getting pretty good at this one. Like after a while, if you redo the level so many times, you do get good at it. But each time I forget about this stage that you have to like fly to. Okay, this is not too hard. Then you get key. Then you see your doom. Oh, that wasn't actually too hard. Don't cut me, don't cut me, don't throw me. You cut me. Okay. So let's do this. Fly, 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 leap. Fly to safety, my child. Then die. This is getting very much painful. Okay. So now, let's try and actually succeed this time. Not fail. I should wait for that one to be at the top. Should I not? Okay, so fly, leap, fly. Wait a second. It's a catbird. Like, how did that? Did the cat have intercourse with a bird? That's not concerning at all. What is concerning is those blades that's flying high above my beautiful little cat head and threatening to cut my ears off. Okay, wait, I almost have this. I can't. I screwed it up. So wait, do I fall? In the smudge. Okay, we can do this. We cannot do this. Okay. We'll be back. I'm back. Okay. So let's try not to penetrate ourselves into the sharp, shiny blades of the spinny wheelie with faces on it. That would be a great life choice of mine. Okay. So you wait, and then you fly. Then you wait, and you wait, and then you fly. Okay, so now that we have the information to continue this emotionally damaging board, we can continue. Okay, the ground. Wait for the blade to penetrate. Nope. Failure. Failure. Okay, now. Haha. Take that, dumb blade. Oh, I did it. We did it. Now, for the final test. There. Okay, so now, wait for it. Okay. Oh, we can continue. Oh my. I do not want to go in this one far. Oh, I can. No, I can't. I'm dead. I'm more dead than a potato. Holy smackaroons. Oh, I died. Why do I not sound surprised about that one? Like, oops, well, that just happened. This is getting harder by the bloody second. Okay, well, we did it. We're doing like shit. Sorry, I'm not supposed to swear, but... Oh, add. Just what we needed. What do I want to install Twitter? Yeah, that didn't take too long. So yeah. Let's continue with the process of what? This one can go on air? Oh, this is going to get painful. This is... Okay, so now I have a plan. You go like this, then you go like this. And then you wait to get penetrated by a spinning blade that was made by some great game creator. Die. That was so close to cutting me. That did cut me in half. How on earth am I supposed to do this? Okay, so I do have kind of a plan. Just wait for it to be like, okay. And now I have to wait for it. Oh, now I see. Which address is now? It was a group ad. Yeah. So... Oh my... I am not going to be able to cope with this pain much longer. Fall. Fall. I'm not kidding. Oh, okay, there's only 3. Okay. So it's fall, fly, then fall again, hover above it, then die, then die. Why I am going to... Okay, so... I'll be back when I finish this 3 walls of pain. Oh, come on. So I broke the 3 walls of pain, and now it's for the swimming of pain. And I'm just looking forward to what? And there's so more is there that they could create so much pain with. Like, it's not really painful for me, it's just like annoying. Oh my, no. On the wrong side. No, there's more of those. Oh, great. The plummet? What's the plummet? Okay, so basically what I did was just... Oh, it was a checkpoint. Okay, so there I'll have to slow myself down. That's fine. But not on the first one, okay. I just want to go check something because... Yes, it seems that I would be able to get it from there. I just wanted to check the crown. I'm a bird. Oh. Okay, so just hover until that's paused and then. Or not. And then die. That's a great life choice. With this torture. I really enjoy it, at the same time I really hate it. Because I would have to immediately go to there. I really want that crown. I don't know what they do. That's why I really want them. But I don't want to struggle anymore, so you could just leave it. Yeah, see? Not the worst choice in life. Oh, that's just adorable. Oh, I can bounce on this forever. No. That thing would have crushed my skull. No, 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 no. Pew, pew, pew. Okay, I almost get crushed by that. Then go like that. Then go like that. Then go like that. Haha. I really enjoy that. Oh my. That wasn't a healthy decision. Ooh, another bouncy. Ooh, multiple bouncies. If this is the truth, I could just see how fun this one would be. Okay. So, don't go like that. Don't die today. That could be painful, except I can go like that. There you go. Oh, that's out. Double trouble? Oh my! Now we have dogs chasing us. Oh, I see what I have to do, okay. Just wait. Okay. Oh, that was weird. Okay, so fly over. Don't die. Don't. They're really going to try and kill me. Fine. Oh no. You can't hurt me. I hope you can't. Haha, take that, you can't hurt me. Okay, well. I think we made great progress, so, yeah. I think I'm going to stop it here. Like if you want a part 2 of this, or I'll just make it for fun, maybe, I'm not sure. Yeah, I think I'll make it for fun because this is a fun game and everything. So yeah, I'm going to make a part 2 on this. I think I'm going to make a series of this. And yeah, but I hope you guys have a great day and hope to see you all in my next video. Well, see you and stay safe. 谢谢。